Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox not joining game easy and quick. First click here and then type Windows Update Settings. Of course you have to make sure that there is make sure to update your Windows, to check for updates, and if there is an update to install, just install it, and if it asks you to restart your computer, just restart it, and go back after that and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, now click here and type Task Manager. Now you have to make sure that Roblox got enough memory to launch, so just close all the applications that you don't need and make sure you have enough free memory, and also with CPU. And that's it. Just make sure right click and end all tasks that you don't need while playing, and after that you go ahead and try again. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, try something like right click and run as administrator. And if that also doesn't fix it, now all you have to do is just go to apps and features and then type Roblox and uninstall it. After that go back, go to run, type here app data and click OK, and after that go to local, scroll down and look for Roblox, and when you find it, right click on it and delete it. After that open your browser and install Roblox again from Roblox website. And that's it, and I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next video.